Welcome everybody. Today is a good day because of two specific reasons. In front of us we have the Aston Martin AMR23 driven by Fernando Alonso in 1/18 scale by the brand Spark. And the second good reason is that it's such a good day today is that I have a wireless microphone. No longer that stupid wire that I trap over every time. This is actually the first modern Formula 1 car in quite a while now. Modern Formula 1 cars are not really that interesting because of their pretty similar color scheme they all have.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Top of the box we have a Spark logo. Side of the box is once again a Spark logo as well. This is the box version which only has one window and that's on this side. So the lid comes off and I see something new actually. You see that white little banner over there. That's actually to pull Modelcar out. Maybe the makers of Spark actually watch my YouTube channel, you know. But here we have the car itself, the AMR23 with that beautiful green. And this is actually one of the few cars in the 2023 season which actually had the majority of their color. Front wing is a really flat style. Curvature of those flaps is actually drastically changed from previous years. On the top of the flaps we have a couple of sponsors which are Aramco and Cognizant. The side of the wing end plate we do see a Boss logo. And on the inside of the wing end plate we don't see any logos but some tire sensors as well. At the top of the nose we actually have the Union Jack. Above that we have the Aston Martin logo with 110 iconic years. Aramco, Pirelli, NetApp, Sentinel 1, Peroni 0.0, Velocity Black. So this nose is actually pretty thin if you look from the side on. Kind of like Michael Jackson after his surgery. Suspension has some carbon fiber detailing with a texture as well. Then we get to the wheel brows, which actually has a nice little tint of that lime green. A good detailing on the tires. They sanded down just a tad to make them look like they've been raced in real life. We actually have the white brackets, which actually means that this is the hard compound. In front of the driver cell, we have number 14. Some couple of sensors going on. Once again, a 360 camera as well. The helmet actually fits perfect with this car. It has that nice little lime green color, which actually is a little bit present on the car itself. The driver figure actually has a bunch of detailing as well. White gloves and even some decals on his fingertips as well. Steering wheel looking pretty detailed too. So like the majority of the 2023 teams, a lot of teams copied the Red Bull design of side pods, which is completely understandable. And I believe the two teams that copied it like one-on-one were McLaren and this Aston Martin. If you look a little bit from the top on, you can see that bed top kind of idea, which is actually just a little bit like the Ferrari of 2022. Interesting to see how this side pod actually angles down and into the bottleneck of this car. When this car actually catches some light, you can see that flakiness of the green, which is an awesome color on this car. I have to say the color green, where it is present, is astounding looking. It's really amazing. The rear wing of this car is nothing too crazy. The rear flap is almost vertical. On the rear flap we have again the Cognizant logo and on the back we have the Aramco logo. What's nice to see is that between the flaps we have a little slit and on the side we have a couple of logos which are JCB and XP once again. Yeah, that's the car itself and it also comes on a base plate 2. Which we're going to remove in a second, but that base plate basically reads Aston Martin AMR23, Aston Martin, Aramco, Cognizant, Formula 1 team, 3rd Bahrain GP 2023 Fernando Alonso. It's actually the first time I'm going to take this off the base. So yeah, fuck. There we have it. So this thing on itself feels so incredibly light. Can you like see the bottom, the Venturi tunnels? Can you see that? Look at that. I think the middle point is right here when I pick it up. The rear of the car is pretty heavy. Also good question, can the wheels rotate? No, they cannot. So yeah, that's basically the video for today. Once again, modern car, modern Formula 1 car. I hope I will be reviewing a lot more 2023 cars. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know. I feel like previous years they were much faster with 1/18 scales of the season prior when a season started, if that makes sense. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one as well.